Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the software we are using to mass posting with your multiple Instagram accounts. So here is my software I currently using to manage multiple Instagram accounts. First of all, is the account management function. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Instagram account you want, and you can select account like this and left click into login at Instagram, and the software will also open browser and log into the account that you choose. And next to mass posting, you need to be read a content. So I will go to content management, and in here you can add your content. And you can add your content in here, and you can also upload the video or image that you want with your content. And after having a content, you can go to posting function, and in here you can choose many options like about post Instagram or post reel, or you can see the history of posting. So I will choose post Instagram. So first I will select the account that I want to go to post first. And next I will set the basic configuration. And first is a breakable time between two actions. I will set from 10 to 20 seconds. And next I will select the content that I already add in the content management. And after choose content, and because I just select one content, I will choose allow duplicate content between action and account. And next you can set up the number of article each account will post. I've set up just one, and you can choose the option like about resize image, tag, and you can enter the username that you want to tag, and you can enter the position, or you can choose share to thread or interaction after posting. You can like the article or comment to the article that you after posting. And after everything set up, I press start and let the software do the work. Okay, and here you can see the notification is noted that the post successful, and here you can see the result. And so basically I just show you the software we have used to mass posting with your multiple Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you can contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software.